My name is Mike Sweeney. I'm a child neurologist and a neuroimmunologist, and I see kids who have different neurologic diseases that are triggered by their immune system. I went into this field in order to be able to make a big difference in helping to improve people's quality of life. It's given me great satisfaction to see my kids, patients over the years get better from these diseases and to learn more about them. I always tell people that I went into pediatric neurology because I'm a big kid at heart, and I could relate with the kindergartners a lot easier than I could relate to adults. So I'm originally from Buffalo, New York, and I have traveled all over the Midwest. I went to Purdue University, my undergrad degree in neuroscience, and then I traveled up to Milwaukee and attended the Medical College of Wisconsin, where I got my doctorate. And then I did my residency training in child neurology at Cincinnati Children's Hospital, and then traveled out west for a year and completed an autoimmune neurology fellowship at the University of Utah. Louisville has a plethora of opportunities for fun, and I enjoy running, I like the outdoors, I like to travel, and I like to eat food.